Well, when I first started seeing Dr. Ann, I liked my smile because I had caps on the top, but they had started deteriorating, and she told me it was a matter of time till they started breaking off, which they did. And for a while I had a floater for one tooth that I'd have to take out when I ate. And then like within a week, 3 of them broke off. So she had been encouraging me and telling me this is something we needed to do. And after losing 3 teeth, it's like, okay, now it's time to do it. Dr. Ann and I sat down after reviewing everything and decided that the best treatment for me would be to go with the full arch teeth supported by dental implants. As soon as she removed my teeth, we did the bone grafts. At that point, I wasn't obligated because I thought, if I like the denture, I can just stay with the denture. I did not like the denture. So we progressed to the next step, which was getting the implants. Because I had the temporary one, for one thing, I can bite into things. With the dentures, I couldn't bite pizza. I couldn't forget about corn on the cob. And I can do corn on the cob now, but having to put the glue in every morning. And the worst thing is having to get the glue out of your mouth at the end of the night. So it's like night and day. But the main thing is I can just eat normal and have just a normal life. Well, I think having the temporaries, I kind of knew what to look for, but the temporaries didn't have this wonderful gum line. And people that have dentures and they're just hate that pinky, you don't have that pinky, plasticky look when you smile. I have a pretty high confidence anyway, but I was self-conscious with the pink mainly, and and like I said, I've just had this in for a few days, so I haven't had a lot of contact with people, but the main thing is it's so much more fun to eat.